Okay, guys, we are finally now on the last question of test 2.1, and let's see what they want here. We are told that the sequence 15, 20, 27, 36, 47 is given with a constant second difference. The first term T1 is 15, and we are told that the difference between the first two terms is called B, and B is equal to 5, and the constant second difference D is equal to 2. Okay, and the general rule can be determined by using the formula given here, and we have to simply substitute into that formula, okay, in order to find the general rule. And they are saying to us, use this formula to determine the general term for the above sequence. So this question, guys, may look different for some people. I mean, not different, but difficult for some people, but it's actually quite easy. Okay, what makes it easy is that enough information has been given to have you work this out. And someone might say, but we were never taught something like this. Well, we taught you how to substitute, so you should have the ability to answer this question. So let's look into how we should be answering this question. Okay, my camera moved. Excuse that, guys. This phone is on a charger and the position is not really that great. Okay, let's answer this question. Let's see what information we have. We are being told that T1 is equal to 15. So if we are going to substitute, it means where we see T1, we are going to put in 15. And we are also told that B is equal to 5. So where we see B, we are going to put 5. And where we see D, we are going to put 2. Try substituting, then solve before you watch the rest of this video, and then see what is going to come out. Right, let's go. You tried yourself first. Okay, I hope you tried it out. You paused this one and then tried it out and found out what you were able to get as an outcome. But remember, we are substituting in order to find the general formula for a quadratic sequence. Okay, this formula is for a quadratic sequence. Let's find it. So I have Tn is equal to, I'm not going to write this formula because it's already there. I'm just gonna start substituting. T1 is equal to what? 15. So where I see T1, I'm gonna put 15 plus in brackets. Do I have n? No, they didn't give me n. So here I'll have n minus 1, close the bracket. What is b? B has been given to me, guys, and b is 5. So I will write 5 here, plus at the top n minus 1 will remain as it is, and n minus 2. What is d? D is 2. See, d is equal to 2 divided by this 2. Okay, now for us to answer this question, guys, we are going to start by using our rules of operation or laws of operation, BODMAS, meaning that the first mission is to remove the brackets. Okay, so let's do that. So this 15 will be dropped down as it is for now, and then here we'll say 5 multiplied by n. What are we going to get? We're going to get a positive 5n. Then we'll say 5 multiplied by negative 1, and we'll get negative 5. This side, guys, you see that the bracket and bracket means multiplication. And if we don't have addition, it means we can simply cancel these twos. It's more like they're dividing each other, right? So we are going to cancel them. And then here, there's a sign, which is this sign, plus. Remember that if we have two brackets multiplying each other, we have to use the distributive law, right? So let's use the distributive law to solve these two brackets. I take what is inside the first bracket, the first term, which is n, multiplied with the second bracket, n minus 2, and then I check minus 1 multiplied with the second bracket, n minus 2. And then from there, these ones for now I will leave as they are. In fact, here I can see I have like terms. Do you see that? Let me start with the 5n. Put the 5n down and add these like terms, or subtract them in this case. What is 15 minus 5? It is going to be 10. And then I come here now. I say n times n, I get n squared. I say n times negative 2, I get negative 2n. And then I come this side because I'm done here. I say negative 1 multiplied by n, get negative n. Then negative 1 multiplied by positive 2 is going to give me a positive what, guys? Positive 2. Then from here, I'm going to add my like terms. But remember what I told you guys. I said to you, you always start with the variable that has the highest exponent. Okay, so this one is the one that has the highest exponent, and it does not have a like term. So I will write it down as it is, the n squared. Then I look for my other like terms. I have 5n minus 2n minus n. Let's start here. What is minus 2 minus 1? We know here there's a 1, right? Negative 2 minus negative 1. Okay, let's start it. Let's do it like this. Let's say, what is 5 minus 2? 5 minus 2 is 3, right? And what is 3 minus 1? It is going to be 2. 2 of what? 2 of n, because we are adding the like terms of the coefficients of what? The like terms that are n, or rather the variables of n. And then we have the constants now. So I'm going to say 10 plus 2, and I'm going to get my 12. Another way of doing this is by grouping our like terms. In fact, it's safer to group the like terms first. Let's do it that way. Do we have a big exponent? Yes, we do. It's 2, so we start with it. We say so let's ignore this for now. This is the correct answer, but I want us to group the like terms first. So here we'll have n squared. This n squared we write first because it has the highest exponent and it does not have any other like term. And then after that we follow up with the n's. So I'm going to have a positive 5n minus 2n minus n, because I'm grouping my like terms, and then I put my constants next to each other. Now things are looking a bit nicer. Here we don't have another n squared, so we drop this down. Then here we'll add our like terms. You can use a calculator for this if you are not sure or in a hurry. Let's do it with a calculator, but you know we are supposed to get a positive 2n. So I'll have 5 minus 2 minus 1, and that gives me a 2. So it means I have the answer of 2n. And then here I have 10 plus 2. What is 10 plus 2? It is 12. And this is how you get your general formula. I want to show you another method of getting this, but I'll probably do it on another video, but it's just for the purpose of finding the general formula. However, this is how you were supposed to answer this question and get your 5 marks. That concludes this video. See you on the next one for the next question paper. Remember, when you practice these questions, if you did it, watch the video, see if your answer is correct, if you answered this question paper. And then after watching this video, try solving the question yourself and see if you will get the same answer as the one that you see on the video. Okay, let's go. And if you practice, you see that you will get a total. All right, see you on the next video. Bye bye.